Namaste, I'm Minnie and welcome to my channel Food Atomic. Today we are making an interesting stuffed bell pepper recipe. Before I get started, if you are new here, I make easy vegan or plant-based recipes with step-by-step instructions, and if you would like to see more of these videos, please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get regular updates. Let's start with the preparation of stuffing. So these are the list of ingredients we would need for the stuffing, and I have also listed them in the description section. Heat a pan and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Wait for the oil to get hot, and once the oil is hot, go ahead and add 1 medium finely chopped onion, and now we have to cook the onion till it gets golden brown. You can either cook it on medium or low heat and stir it occasionally so it doesn't get burned. Once the onion is golden brown, add 3 to 4 finely chopped garlic cloves, and we are going to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes over medium or low heat. After that, add 100 grams of chopped mushroom. I am using portobello mushroom, but you can use any mushroom of your choice, or you can use any of your favorite ingredients while making the stuffing. It doesn't have to have mushroom. We are going to cook it till the mushrooms get soft. Then add half bowl of tomato puree. You can also use 1 medium chopped tomato instead. Mix it well, and we are going to cook it till the oil starts to separate from the gravy. If you are using chopped tomatoes, cook till they get soft and the water evaporates. Now I'm adding some cooked black and red beans followed by some green peas. And like I said earlier, you can always add your favorite vegetables for making the stuffing. Mix everything well. Once everything is mixed, add 2 teaspoons of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, and finally 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Mix everything and let it cook for about 2 to 3 minutes over low or medium heat. Do not add water, but if you feel that it has become dry, you can add some droplets or splashes of water. Once the spices are done, we will add some freshly chopped coriander. You can also add parsley if you have. And finally, some rice. You can substitute rice with quinoa or even omit this from the recipe altogether. Mix everything. Doesn't this already look amazing? Well, this can be a dish in itself, and this can be served just like this, and it's a perfectly healthy meal. Turn off the heat and the stuffing is ready. Moving on to the next step, I have taken 6 bell peppers, red and the green ones. Start by chopping the head of the bell pepper. Then remove the seed from the inside just by cutting like this and take it out completely. Make sure that the bell pepper is hollow from the inside, and then it's ready. Do the same with the rest of the bell peppers. Now it's time for the good part. Go ahead and stuff the bell pepper with the filling. If you like, you can also dress the bell peppers first with some olive oil or salt or any other dressing of your choice, but I like it this way. Be generous about the dressing. We have to make sure that the bell pepper is stuffed nicely from all the corners. Now I'm adding some salsa. I'm using homemade salsa, and I will link the recipe in the description section. You can always mix and match. You can add multiple layers of salsa, you can add some grated vegan cheese in between, and then the stuffing. So it's up to you how you want your stuffed bell pepper to be. Even though I have stuffed them nicely, I have left a little space towards the top, and you will know why. We are done with the stuffing of all the bell peppers. Don't they look heavenly? As a final touch, I'm adding some vegan cheese slices on top of the stuffed bell pepper. If you have vegan cheese block at home, I would suggest you to use that instead. Trust me, it will bring out a better result than the cheese slices. Once done, we'll start prepping the baking tray. I'm adding 1 layer of salsa on the baking tray. This is an optional step. I usually like salsa so much that I try to incorporate it in all my recipes, but you can skip it. You can even add a light layer of olive oil and then add the bell peppers to it. Then place it in oven for about 30 minutes over 180 degrees Celsius. If you want the bell peppers to be well done, go for 45 minutes, but 30 minutes should be a good time for them to cook and the cheese to melt. So there we go guys, the stuffed bell pepper is ready. I'm just adding a final touch with some freshly chopped coriander leaves. This is a simple recipe which can be meal prepped as well, and you can always store it in your refrigerator and cook it or bake it anytime you want. So guys, if you liked this video, do give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel Food Atomic. And as usual, I have listed all the equipments I use in the description section, so feel free to check that out. So guys, do try this at home and let me know your feedback in the comment section. And if you're still looking for more vegan videos, click on the playlist right ahead. I'll be back soon with another interesting vegan recipe. Until then, bye.